Yoga of Renunciation of Action in Knowledge, Chapter 4, Shloka number 24. Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Brahman is the oblation, Brahman is the clarified butter, and so on, constituting the offerings. By Brahman is the oblation poured into the fire of Brahman. Brahman verily shall be reached by him who always sees Brahman in all actions.
Chapter 4, Shloka 24. Brahmarpanam brahmahavihi brahmagno brahmanahutam brahmaiva tena gandhavyam brahmakarma samadhina.
Chapter 4, Shloka number 24. We have seen that when the sages act in the spirit of yagna without ego and egocentric desires, the existing tendencies dissolve without creating new ones. In this shloka, Lord tells why it is so. Brahman is the infinite reality, is the substratum for the world of change which we experience. Truth which functions in and through the body is called the Atman. According to Vedanta, Brahman and Atman are both terms used to indicate the one truth, which alone is. A yagna ritual involves 4 factors: the deity to whom the oblations are offered, the fire in which the offerings are poured, the material things which are poured, and the individual who performs the yagna. To the sage, truth alone exists, and the delusory plurality is an appearance caused by ignorance in the mind. Hence, for the realized sage, Brahman alone exists. For him, all yagnas arise from Brahman alone, performed by Brahman the truth, offering Brahman the material, to the sacred fire which is also Brahman, invoking but Brahman. One who sees the substratum behind all names and forms, in all circumstances, in all things and beings, is all blissful with the infinite truth. Even when he is working amongst the names and forms, invoking that one truth, he dissolves all his tendencies as he is invoking that one truth through all his actions. In this manner, he develops detachment from the enjoyment of the objects and lifts himself to that infinite self, which is the final achievement, supreme. More in the next shloka, in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.